In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Lovable site to an app and publish it on the Apple App Store. The first thing you need to do is open your project on Lovable. As you can see, I have my Pixel Studio project here. Before we start, make sure your site is published. If it's not, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Once it's published, copy your site URL. Now, go to Google and search for Convert App to Mobile App. You'll find several third-party sites that can do this. I'm going to use AppMySite for this example. Click on it, then click Start for Free. Once the page loads, click the plus button to create a new app. Type your app name, for example, Lovable Project, and under App Type, choose Web to App. This option will convert your web app into a mobile app. Paste your Lovable site URL in the link field and click Create App. Next, choose a color scheme for your app. I'll select blue. Once your dashboard loads, click on Preview on the left side. You can now click between the Android and iPhone views to see how your app will look on mobile. When you're ready, click Download on the left side and then Build App under iOS app. Keep in mind you'll need to upgrade your plan on AppMySite to build an iOS version. For Android, you can build it for free. After your iOS app is built, click Publish under the Download section. Then choose Apple App Store and click Publish. This will open the Apple Developer Program website at developer.apple.com. Sign into your Apple Developer account. Upload your app file and submit it for review. Once it's approved, your Lovable site will officially be available on the Apple App Store. And that's it. That's how you can convert your Lovable site into an app and publish it on the Apple App Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides.